Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really short makeup tutorial. Just doing some eyeshadow, like a bronzy look. Um, First I'm going to apply some primer, and this is like a radiant primer. And of course I always start my makeup off with some Vaseline. So the first thing I do is wet my beauty blender. This is from e.l.f. and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in number 360. I think it's called Mocha. Um, yeah, so I'm just blending that out. Like the most important thing with your foundation is to not you want to pat it in with the beauty blender, and then you want to make sure that you get around the edges and make sure it's in your hairline so that it doesn't look like you're wearing a mask. So I just pat that all over my face. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Tan, and I put this right up under my eyes and on top of my lids because we're going to be doing eyeshadow. So I use that as a base also for the eyeshadow, and I like to put a lot of this on because it really blends well into the foundation. So yeah, I really love this concealer, and Maybelline is like one of my favorites for face products. So I always use like their face products. And my friends always ask me like, "Oh, like how do you do your makeup, or what do you use?" And not just my friends, but my family as well. And I always recommend Maybelline Fit Me foundation and their Fit Me concealer. So I'm taking my beauty blender again, and I'm just blending that out. I don't like to blend my concealer too much because I still like it to be there. So I just patted it in a little bit, and this concealer blends so well into the foundation, so you don't really have to do too much. And once again, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in number 35 deep, and I'm just patting that on. I like my skin to look dewy, but I don't want to be I want my makeup to stay on, and I don't want it to get too oily, so I just put a little bit of powder on. So I'm taking this orange eyeshadow from Colourpop. I think I'll put the names of the eyeshadows in the description, but it's just an orange eyeshadow, and I like to use this a lot because it really complements my skin color, and I use this as like a transition color. And I just put that into the crease. And I'm taking like a deeper red um, eyeshadow, and I think this one is also from Colourpop, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just putting that right under where I put the orange to deepen up the colors. Next, I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and putting that right in the outer corner of my lid, and that's just to deepen up the existing colors there and just to make everything look more blended and give it dimension. Honestly, it doesn't really matter what eyeshadows you use. I mean, which colors. I like MAC eyeshadows and I like ColourPop eyeshadows, so I mainly use those. So you can find similar colors to what I use if you want to do something exactly like what I did. But I'm taking this bronze eyeshadow, and I think this is from MAC as well. I'll put the names in the description bar. And I'm just putting this on the outer corner of my lid. I didn't have anything planned out for this look. I just was doing this willy-nilly. So, and then on the inner corner, I'm taking it's like a pink eyeshadow, and it's really sparkly. You can't really see how sparkly it is in the video, but it's super sparkly. Maybe I think I'll put a picture at the end of the whole look. But I'm putting that all over the inner corner and a little bit blending it into that bronze color that we put. Using all these different colors just makes everything look more dimense. I think that's a word. I don't know. Dimense, or yeah, it just gives it more dimension. And I'm adding on a gold inside the inner corner just to make things more fun. Usually I like to wear eyeliner, but I was like, okay, I want this look to be kind of natural and bronzy, so I just put on mascara. And I'm using the Maybelline Wow, the Falsies, my favorite mascara. I always get compliments on my eyelashes. They make my eyelashes super long, And yeah, I love this mascara. My all-time favorite. And that's it for the look. And it's super like pretty and pinky and bronzy. And I'm adding some highlighter. And I think this is the MAC highlighter, but I'm not sure. Either it's MAC or e.l.f. I think it's the e.l.f. one though. And this was like $3 and it's so pretty. I think it's apricot by e.l.f. Something like that. I'm not I really hate talking. Like I'm not good at doing videos where you talk really. I think. Yeah. So I'm just putting that on my like high points on my cheeks and then on my nose and then on the top of my cupid's bow because I like how it looks. And that's it really for this video. Oh no, I'm gonna do lipstick. This is a lipstick by Jordana and it's a matte lipstick and it's like nude and pinky. But I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So this is the final look. It's super eyeshadow is super easy. A lot of people say they don't know how to do eyeshadow, but it's so easy. And I'm gonna pose and look awkward for a few seconds. Take out the headphones. Slow mo. There you go, looking gorge, honey. Alright, bye.